In this video, let's have a look at the ArrowOS ROM based on Android version 12.1 for the Poco X3 Pro. This ROM has inbuilt OTA support, so that is a great thing. Do note that this comes in two variants, one with Google Apps, one without Google Apps, that is called the vanilla build. And here are the home settings. As you can see, there are certain options like clock layout, home screen rotation, dark status bar, top shadow, swipe to access Google app on the left, double tap gesture to screen off, add new apps to the home screen, draw themed icons, Google search bar, and other such stuff. And there are developer options, but most of this stuff is not for the normal users. And here you also have wallpaper and style options. As you can see here, you can change up the basic colors with this particular ROM if you want, and also switch between dark theme and light theme. You can change the app grid if you want. These are the options, and you also have the option to enable themed icons, change system fonts from here. There are only a few options here, but still better than nothing. And you can change the system icons here as well. And as you can see, they have changed. And now let's have a look at the benchmarks of this particular ROM. So here is the 3D Mark Wildlife score, and it got 3457 score, and it beat out 58% of the Poco X3 Pro users, so it is a good score. And here are the Geekbench score. The single core score is 723 and multi-core score is 2303. And here are the DRM info. So with this ROM, you do actually get L1 support, which is great, so no such issues there. And now let's jump into the settings and see what kind of features this ROM offers. Under the system sections, you'll find certain gestures like quickly open the camera, one-handed mode, and system navigation gesture options. Not much customization available here, but you can also hide the gesture bar at the bottom if you want. And you can press and hold the power key for Google Assistant, swipe to screenshot. You can toggle on the torch when the screen is off, and enable advanced restart, double tap to sleep playback control, and volume wake. Now let's go back. Under the display section, you will find other customizations, but first of all, in the battery percentage, you can hide or show the battery percentage like this. And here you find other options like lock screen info, double line clock. You can prevent accidental wake up, double tap to sleep on the lock screen is also present here. And you also have the option for ambient display, and all these gestures are present. Do note that this ROM does not support face unlock, which is kind of a big deal for me and could be a deal breaker for many of you, but this ROM does not support that. Here are the color options that you will see, like natural, boosted, and saturated, and you can further change the color balance if you want. And you can customize the minimum or the maximum refresh rate from here. You have double tap to wake option. You can change up the status bar icons and delete data usage in the QS footer. Overall, this ROM is a really well balanced ROM. There are decent amount of customizations, but not overwhelming ones, and battery life is great. I'm getting about 7 hours of screen on time on this particular ROM. The smoothness is really good, and this ROM also supports OTA updates, and it comes in two variants, one with Google Apps, one without. So in case anyone is looking for a stable ROM for their Poco X3 Pros, this is definitely the way to go, because overall I have faced no issues or bugs with this particular ROM, and I can definitely recommend this to anyone looking to try out one of their first custom ROMs. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye, take care.